What's up guys, it's Mike. Thanks for joining me today. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with this kind of setup. This is a commentary setup, and before we used to do a lot of vlogs, switch between commentaries, how-tos, and kind of just went back and forth. So I figured since it's summer, why not kind of hang out a little bit and do some commentaries, some vlogs, and some how-tos. Why not, right? If you're new to the channel, the general format of the video is, hey, I just kind of talk and show you guys a video. Now, one thing I'm going to do different, I'm going to reserve myself from being a complete freaking idiot on camera and just kind of ease into this and just kind of show you videos. Typically, if you've been watching for a while, I make some smart-ass comments and it stirs up a lot of conversation in the comments below. So if you guys are some OGs and you guys want me to kind of be myself, let me know in the comments. Alright, Mike, let's be super professional about these comments. First video, it looks like a video from Snapchat, and it's a buddy named Chase. And I think in our life, we've all had a friend named Chase that wants to learn to drift one day and decides to, hey, let's go to a parking lot and film me. Now, let's not be so hard on Chase. You can see that, it looked like it's been raining, and all of us you guys can admit quietly in your room or on the toilet, wherever you decide to watch me. When it's raining a bit, we all become like Initial D. Like, we're like, this is Initial D. Like, we can definitely drift. And even though we may not have a drift-capable car because of YouTube, it makes it seem possible. A lot of your favorite YouTubers are drifters, right? Drifters, including me. I'm not a drifter. Chase decides to just pull into the freaking curb and decide to take a wheel out. At least he's three-wheeling now. The next video. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is all not just car related. It's gonna be all of anything related. Cars, life, bikes. In this case, this next video is on bikes. Let me set you up for this video. You're just having a time of your life on a Friday night with your friends. What do? Well, I don't know. Maybe you have a friend named Chase again. And he's like, yo, I'm gonna take my bicycle and cruise down the boulevard. See, this is what happens when you watch the X Games too often and think you can do fucking hops. What do you think really happened here? I think maybe his friend egged him on. He's like, yo, there's a curb here, and I think you can hop this. Man, but the guy hit the... Okay, this next video almost has nothing to do with pretty much anything. It's just weird. Now, there is a car involved here. It looks like a giant dog that hasn't been groomed in a long time coming down the street. Okay, I told you the series can be super random. Okay, let's move on to the next video. This next guy, like, you can hear in the video that he's having such a great time in life. It's like nothing could go wrong. When you thought you aced the final, but you got a D. You thought you were racing a car guy, but you're racing an undercover cop. When you wake up and you thought it was Saturday, but it was actually Friday. But on a serious note, I hope he's okay, because that was a fucking hit. Okay, let's move on to the next video. This video has no audio, so I'm gonna go ahead and dub over for you. Let's watch this. And the ninja is gonna jump over. Oh shit, oh my god. Somebody help me! We've been watching the Olympics too long. Maybe he was watching the X Games too. Last but not least, an honorary video. You guys can relate to this one. If you're a car guy or even a car girl, hello girls. If you are, that's just awkward. If you guys are a car enthusiast, you guys can relate to this. Let me set you guys up with this scene. You're in a parking lot. Luckily, you're still sitting in your car and there's a crowd of people around you. Me personally, I would probably not park near the crowd because I'm afraid of people walking around with their bells, their keys, their lounges, and scratching my car. So pretty much what I would do is I'd park far away, but this guy ends up parking pretty close to the crowd. Naturally, if you're a person standing outside and you're tired and you want to sit down or lean up against something, what do? Slick move from the car guy. Towards the end of that video, you see a guy come up and pick her up. Now, I want you guys to leave a comment below if you guys think if that guy was the boyfriend, would he be mad that the other guy moved his car and made his girl fall? Would you be mad? Leave your comments below. Alright guys, that's today's video. I know we're just easing into it very slowly. Nothing crazy, me not being crazy obnoxious. I'm just kind of getting the flow of things and just kind of like, enjoying making content again. If you guys definitely liked this video, please hit the like button, share button, subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post these videos up or any other vlogs up. But I just want to thank you so much for sticking around. It's been a freaking journey. I think YouTube's been like 7 or 8 years for me. So it's been a crazy time and I just enjoy being here. I love you guys. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out from the Smurfinwrx family. And oh yeah, someone asked me how do I pronounce my last name. Win. W-I-N. Don't ask me. The French made our language up. Peace out.